Hi friend, my name is Krishna. In this tutorial, I am going to explain helical sweep in cryoparametric. So let's start the cryoparametric helical sweep. So first I will choose the helical sweep command, select the helical sweep. Now click the reference, click define, choose the plane, which plane you want to draw. I will choose the right plane, select sketch. Now you just click the sketch view and choose one line profile of helical. So this is our helical profile, and choose one central line. So if you choose from if I'll choose from this point central line, so helical sweep will be start. This is the radius of helical sweep, and from this point will be the diameter of helical sweep. So it will be rotate something like this helical sweep. So that is the reason, if I'll give it here, if you will give me this from this point of any axis central line, so from this point to this point will be the radius of helical sweep. So I have given this point central line, so it will be rotate something like this. Now you just click OK. Now see, there is a path of direction. So if you will click in this point, uh, so if the arrow will be there, so you have to make your one profile of a sketch of sweep helical sweep in this point only. So go to create and edit sweep action. Now click sketch view, select circle, OK. So this is our helical sweep, and this is the pitch between one helix to another helix. This is the pitch of helix, and this is a 40 if I'll give. So helix pitch will be 40, and this is the surface, and this is the solid, and this is something another shape. So this is called helical sweep. Now I'll give you one more example. Let's delete this. Just choose the helical sweep, go to reference, select define, choose the plane and choose the top plane, sorry, right plane, and choose right plane. OK, no problem. Select a sketch view. Now you choose the profile, something like this, and now you need to make one center line. So earlier I have given from this point center line, so now I'll give from this point. So this is our center line. So from this point to this point, this is the radius of helix. And now you can go to dimension. You can give a dimension, how much you want, requirement, whatever you have, and you can give a height of this length. Now I think everything is fine. So now you just click OK. Now go to edit and choose the center rectangle. So you need to make from this point, because this is our path. Select a sketch view and draw something like this, and give a dimension I'll give 40, this one also 40, this one also 40. Click OK. Now you can see this is our helix, and this is the surface, and this is the pitch of helix. Click OK. So this is called helical sweep in cryoparametric. So I hope you guys understand this helical sweep. So in next video we will discuss another command. Okay, thank you for watching this video.